Hi there! Our ASUS ProArt monitors are well known among professionals as one of the best in the market for over a decade now. We recently added laptops to our ProArt series as well, including our latest model, the ProArt Studiobook Pro 16 OLED. And it was designed with one goal in mind, to give you the raw performance needed to handle the toughest, most resource-demanding projects. Thanks to NVIDIA's latest ProArt GPUs, it can process high-resolution video editing, 3D modeling and rendering software such as Autodesk Maya and 3ds Max really well, but also specialized professional tools such as CATIA, Siemens and Creo significantly faster than on regular consumer RTX GPUs. Now let's have a look at the specs. The ProArt Studiobook Pro 16 OLED is powered by up to an AMD Ryzen 5000 or third generation Intel Xeon workstation processor. It easily handles difficult tasks such as heavy multi-thread photorealistic rendering, visualization, simulation or data analysis applications. Combined with a professional-grade NVIDIA RTX A5000 or A5000 mobile GPU, the Studiobook Pro 16 OLED powers through the toughest tasks, such as complex CAD models, 3D product design, or high-resolution video projects with ease. And if you need extra performance and storage, both the memory and storage are fully upgradable. The two SODIMM slots let you configure or upgrade the memory for up to 64 gigs, and the two M.2 slots come filled with up to dual 2TB SSDs. From ray tracing and VR to AI-powered 8K video editing, the NVIDIA GPUs in the Studiobook Pro 16 deliver top-of-the-line performance and boost your productivity. And to ensure maximum reliability and performance, NVIDIA Studio drivers guarantee rock-solid software compatibility with over 60 professional environments from Adobe, Autodesk, and more. We actually go even further and send samples to software developers for ISV certification. And we test key applications internally for compatibility and performance. Heat has a huge influence on performance, and fine noise can be very distracting. That's why we designed the ASUS iSchool Pro cooling system in the Studiobook to enable an impressive 110 watts combined load at under 40 dB. So even in extreme scenarios where both CPU and GPU are fully utilized, the system is surprisingly quiet. And when you really need to get a project done, performance mode boosts the combined load to 140 watts. We achieved this with 6 large diameter heat pipes and dual 102 aeroflow blade fans made from LCP with an advanced 3D curve design which increased airflow by 16% at the same noise level compared to regular fans. Both SSDs and memory modules comes with their own heat shields and thick thermal pads to keep them cool as well. The Studiobook even features NVIDIA Whisper Mode 2.0 for lower fine noise if you don't need the GPU to run at full throttle. As you expect from a laptop following in the footsteps of the ProArt monitor series, the display in the Studiobook is the best in class. It features the world's first 16-inch 16:10 4K OLED HDR display. Its 550 nit peak brightness, ultra-high contrast and deep blacks comes VISA Display HDR 500 True Black certified, and combined with the 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, which provides truly photorealistic visuals. For precise color accuracy, this remarkable display is Coleman verified, Pantone validated, and has a color accuracy delta E of less than 2. It is also easier on your eyes for those long late night sessions with 70% lower blue light emissions compared to LCD models, and it is TUV Renlan Eye Care certified. The ProArt Studiobook incorporates several hardware features especially crafted for creators to give you intuitive, precise control over every action. Discover new ways to work with the brand new ASUS Dial, which gives you an intuitive, precise and tactile control over complex and abstract settings and interactions. You can easily change the brush size and saturation, adjust the layer opacity, and quickly undo actions. You can also use the dial to adjust the screen brightness, the volume, or simply scroll down a page. There are over 70 functions available to assist your creative workflow, and you can customize the dial menu and build your own group of interactions to quickly access your most important functions. The ASUS Dial is currently compatible with all 4 main Adobe environments: Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Photoshop Lightroom Classic, and After Effects. And there are more compatible apps on the way. The 3-button touchpad is perfect for 3D artists and mechanical engineers who need a center mouse button to pan, rotate, and orbit. And when combined with the nearby ASUS Dial, it's a dream come true for creators looking for a maximum precision and control in an intuitive and smooth workflow. The spacious touchpad has an interesting trick up its sleeves. It features an additional layer that enables ASUS Pen support for natural feeling input when editing, drawing, and writing. It's essentially like a compact digitizer drawing board built right into your laptop. To add even more interactivity, there are 2 customizable keys on the Studiobook's keyboard that can be assigned to your favorite function via the ProArt Creator Hub. The ProArt Creator Hub shows you an overview of your Studiobook's configuration and lets you customize it. You can switch between different operating modes, from whisper quiet to balance and performance mode. You can also recalibrate the display, change your settings to optimize your workflow, and customize your ASUS Dial or the programmable shortcut keys. The Studiobook Pro 16 comes with a large number of I/O ports, which are clearly tailored for professionals. There is a 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port, a 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with power delivery to quickly charge up or run the laptop off a super compact and lightweight Type-C charger when you don't need its full performance. They also feature a DisplayPort signal for external monitors and, unusually, VR support. Especially for 3D artists and mechanical engineering, VR is becoming more and more useful for virtual prototyping and visualizing complex designs and scenes. There is a gigabit LAN port as well as an HDMI 2.1 port that supports up to 8K 120Hz or even 10K 60Hz monitors and TVs. A rather unique addition is a brand new SD Express card reader with maximum read speeds close to 1 gigabit per second for extremely fast file transfer from your latest or future camera. And you get the latest and fastest Wi-Fi 6 for a gigabit wireless connectivity and zero Wi-Fi signal and bandwidth congestion issues thanks to the additional brand new 6 GHz channels. Thanks to DTS, music, videos, and any audio sounds crisp and spacious. The built-in speakers are driven by a dual-channel smart amp for a boost in volume and were tuned by the audio experts at Harman Kardon. The 3.5mm combo jack comes with an audiophile-grade ESS Sabre DAC and high-res audio certification for the best headphones or external speaker sound quality, even with high-impedance headphones. The expanded dynamic range and lower distortion lets you enjoy clearer highs and deeper, richer bass, so you can immerse yourself in virtual 7.1 channel surround sound. A high-tech anti-fingerprint nano coating preserves the clean and minimalistic matte star black finish of your ProArt Studiobook. It's water repellent and prevents fingerprints, and if it eventually gets smudges, the coating makes it easier to wipe them off. It also reduces reflectivity, giving it a nice matte look and premium silky feel. The ProArt Studiobook passed not just our own rigorous quality and long-term durability tests, but even meets the demanding 810H military standard for reliability and durability, a series of extreme tests that simulate harsh environments, drops, and temperature ranges. This sums up all the important specs and features. We can't wait to see how you will implement these new features in your workflow, and we are looking forward to the stunning content you will be able to create with our new ProArt Studiobook Pro 16.